for today's class in 7th. How are you, beta? I hope you all are fine. Let's discuss about the chapter 10th, that is our second video of this chapter, beta. We have discussed about the respiration. We have discussed about the external and internal respiration, aerobic and anaerobic respiration as well. So I'll take a quick revision with this. Beta, in respiration, it is all about the taking in and out of the oxygen as well as the breakdown of the food also, that release the lot of energy that take places in respiration. It is two type of respiration, external and internal respiration. External respiration जो होता है बेटा, it is breathing. That means you are taking in air and giving out carbon dioxide. Very good. Now, internal respiration take places in the cells, like in the mitochondria it is taking place, beta. Okay. Now, in the cellular respiration, it is of two type, aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Now, aerobic respiration is the breakdown of food, या कह सकते हैं glucose into carbon dioxide and water to release energy using oxygen. Beta, don't forget this word, using oxygen. Aerobic respirations are those respiration in which the utilization of oxygen take places. You have to learn this equation, beta. C6H12O6 plus 6O2. This is aerobic respiration, that is in the presence of oxygen, breakdown of food, give out carbon dioxide, water and energy. Okay. Now next was anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respirations involves the breakdown of the food without the oxygen. Yes, without word. Don't forget this. Without the use of oxygen. That is, you have to learn this equation. When glucose is burnt, it gives out, of course, energy. But without the use of oxygen, will give out alcohol. It takes places in anaerobes. Okay. So you have to learn this equation, beta. Next is aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration, we will discuss on this. Beta, those reactions which take places without the presence of oxygen are called anaerobic. We have discussed this now. So what happened when you run very fast? When you do cycling, when you do exercise, when you do weightlifting, when you do all these things, what will happen? The supply of oxygen become less. Means energy is utilizing too much. Demand of energy is very much. But supply of energy is less at that time, means oxygen level become very less. That means approximately 0. That means absence of oxygen will take place. So what will happen in return? Lactic acid will form, beta, and plus energy also. So in this reaction, when glucose is burnt, anaerobic respiration take places in the muscles and lactic acid is formed instead of forming carbon dioxide. Then what will happen? What will be the result? Muscles cramp will occur. Yes, due to the formation of lactic acid, muscles cramp will occur in your hand and legs. How you will release it? How you will fix it? How you will make it okay? What you will do? You will take a hot bath. Then what will happen? The circulation of the blood will start it, and it increases the blood circulation, which break down the lactic acid, and oxygen supply will increases and carbon dioxide is formed and you will feel relaxed. Now beta, what new we are reading in this is differentiate between aerobic and anaerobic respiration, and it is very important also. Learn this table, beta. See the presence of, we have to make this table in the fair notebook also. So prepare this in the fair notebook, beta. It is very important. Aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Presence of oxygen. First step, it take places in the presence of oxygen. Okay, and it take places in the absence of oxygen. Breakdown of food, complete breakdown of food will occur, right? Complete breakdown of food will take places and in anaerobic respiration, but an incomplete breakdown of food will occur. Second point done. Okay, end product. The end product are carbon dioxide and water, and the end product are alcohol. Okay, now amount of energy released, a large amount of energy is released in the form of ATP, and a very small amount of energy is released. So these are the points which are very important. You have to learn them. Okay, so next we'll like to discuss with the science in life. Okay, what it is written: yeast are single cell organism. They respire anaerobically and during this process yield alcohol. They are therefore used to make beer and wines. But what it is written over here, take an example of sugarcane. Take the example of sugarcane. What will happen in that case? Better take the bottle, plastic bottle, put the sugar juice in it. Then what you will do, cap it tightly. After 15 to 20 minutes, yeast formation will occur. And yeast formation will occur. And anaerobic respiration will take place in it. That means oxygen supply becomes zero. And yeast has formed. Now it will convert the sugary substance into alcohol beta. It will convert it into alcohol, and when we open that can, you smell it as a ethanol or alcohol, I can say. This is how the method is used for preparing the beer and wines also. So I'm clear with this. Okay, next, do you know it's written about this is anaerobic respiration is also seen in some parasitic animals like roundworms and flatworms that live in the alimentary canal, as they do not get oxygen in alimentary canal. Yes, I said beta that many organisms are there which survive in the anaerobic respiration conditions. How they survive? They will survive without the oxygen also, and those are parasitic animals also, yeast also, roundworms, flatworms, all these are the examples. How we will prove this? That they are surviving in the alimentary canals of the cows, buffaloes, without the oxygen presence in their stomach. So in their alimentary canal there is no supply of oxygen is there, and still they are surviving. That means they are following the anaerobic respiration. So you can write down the example in that also. That's all we have done with this topics. Please read these topics thoroughly and learn this aerobic and anaerobic respiration, the differentiate. And whatever queries we will found, definitely we will discuss. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day, beta.